Hey everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my family room here. And today I have this Toloco Mosquito trap, Zap T360 Pro. I wonder if it's supposed to say mosquito instead of mesquite, because I really got it for bugs. I mean, this stuff it's all made in China, so it might be the Chinese English thing. I can't remember what they call it. English maybe? But whatever. So it might just be that they're not spelling it right, or it may just be that that's just what they calling it because it's just something unique and different. So that's it. So I opened it up. I'll show you kind of the boxes for it here, what it looks like. And let's see what it looks like inside. It's funny, it's got a picture of a black one, and I was like, boy, I thought I bought a white one, and I did. So here's the white one. Woo, it smells like plastic or something. So let's see what we got here. So inside, so I'll put the box over here. And inside, so we have the item itself. It's actually fairly light. I was surprising. Let's see, these I guess are the sticky pads that go on the bottom somehow. Yeah, there. And then we've got a thanks for choosing us, Toloco Zap T360 little packet. Probably got the instructions in there. It's actually really well packaged. It looks like this would be a good gift for somebody because it looks so nice. So here we have the manual for it and all the different parts and stuff to kind of explains it. Nothing too thrilling on that. And then it runs off of a USB adapter, which is cool. I wonder if I could plug it into my computer even, but you see it's got this end on this one and then just a regular conventional USB there for the power, so it must just be 5 volts or whatever these things are. But here, it plugs in, it comes with this part of it too. And I do have a power strip here on my floor, so I will be plugging it in. And let's see how this thing works when it plugs in. Plugs in there. And there's a little fan going. Oh, and then it puts a little blue light. Oh, I get it. So the concept is that it puts the light out and then the bugs fly into it and then I can feel the fan sucks them down and then it spits them out at the end. And let's see at the bottom here. See in the bottom, this is where we put one of these. These are the sticker pads to stick the bugs. So I've been having this problem. So the reason I got this was I don't know what these things are. There's these little tiny little gnat kind of things that are flying around here. They're just like so itty bitty. And I remember a while ago I had some of these kind of things in my bathroom, and they were like spring bugs. But I don't think these are like that because these just fly. So I'm not sure exactly what it is. I may need to look at the instructions to see exactly how to do this. But let's see. I'm guessing it's a sticker. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's it. So I take off this, put it in here, obviously. Let's see, how does it go? Like that. Let me put it let's just put it that way there. So sticky, it goes under my finger. Okay. And close it up, and I think I'm going. So that's it. So now it's ready to catch some bugs. So let's hope that by tomorrow at this time, there's no bugs. Yeah, it just basically tells you how to do it on here. It's like two steps or something, but basically that's it. So yeah, so I'm just gonna leave this actually right out here, and I'm gonna finish up my review at the moment, and I'll probably post it. But then what I'll do is in the comments, I'll try to tell you guys how many bugs it catches, because I'll be able to see them on the bottom here. That's where it catches it. So or maybe I'll even do a whole other video with that, but we'll see what happens. We'll see how it goes and see how many I can catch. But it's a cool concept, I guess, because it has the light here and then they fly bzz, and get sucked in. So that's gonna be really cool. And it is fairly quiet. I mean, you can probably hear it now, but I usually have my TV going, so that's gonna drown it out. It would even be good background noise while I'm sleeping, because then I just hear just a little fan and I don't have to hear any street noise or anything. But it's probably not loud enough to drown out street noise. But that's it, so it looks good, Toloco, and it's got the buttons on the top you can see, and yeah, it sucks them down and then it blows out here, so we'll see how it goes. So thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time when I review something else.